Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, May 19th. We are almost there. Thank you all for doing such a wonderful job with all this remote learning. I do want to mention though, some of us did not do or did not answer the questions as they were supposed to. Yesterday, I had you guys go outside and go and find 3 places around your house or in your backyard where you would see water. One of the questions said, list the 3 places where you see water. That answer should have been sink. I see water in the sink, bathroom, in my garden. Okay, those were the 3 places. And then the next question and the next step was, okay, how do you use water, or how do people in your home use water in those 3 places? If you listed water in the sink, then you can say, I use water from the sink to wash my hands. Okay, and then if you said garden, I use water from the hose to water my garden. Or I don't know what the other example was, I use water to flush my toilet. Okay, that second question was you listing how you use water, or how people in your house use that water. Some of you guys did a wonderful job, and I want to give a shout out to Isabel, Austin, and Kalia, I believe, have done a great job so far. I have not looked at everybody's. Some of us started writing like random stuff in the blanks. Please don't do that. This poster is to make it fun, to make this last full week of learning fun, and then kind of to tie everything that we've learned so far about water and why water is important and why we have to take care of our water, right? It's tying everything that we've learned so far. So make sure that today you try a little bit harder than yesterday. Make sure that you are caught up with your poster. Remember that on Thursday, I would like all of us to log on to our crew meeting, because Thursday is our day to show our poster to the class. But today we also have a crew meeting today at 1. So if you have any questions, make sure you log in at 1. But also today, I'm asking you guys to draw your where you would want to take a vacation, your dream vacation. Okay, so wherever you would like to go, if that's on a camping trip, or whatever you feel like it's your dream vacation, I would like you to draw it for today's crew meeting. Okay, that's aside from everything we're doing. Today's crew meeting is just draw your dream vacation, and then hop on at 1 o'clock so that we can share our dream vacation. But for the project, we are on part 2 of your poster today. So I'm just going to walk you guys through your assignment. Remember, if you have any questions, just come around my office hours from 2 to 3, and I'll be glad to help you. Your learning target today is I can make a poster to explain why water is important to me and the planet. So that's our overall goal, right? To make this poster to explain why water is important to me and why it's important to our planet. By now, on your draft poster, whoopsie, I need to fix this. By now on your draft poster, you should have, goodness. You should have drawn 3 places in your house where you see water, and you should have also have a caption on each picture explaining how or why you use the water in that place. If you're done with them, you need to check them off. And today your mission is to find 3 facts or reasons why water is important to the world by using the One Well pages, any water books, or the book Who Harnessed the Wind. Use the resources I have included below and write your facts down. So if you're listening, so I have included the read aloud for the boy who harnessed the wind. So if you're listening to this read aloud, you can find facts. You can find all 3 facts in this read aloud if you wish, but I have also included the One Well pages below. So you guys can get your 3 facts from any of these sources. 3 facts, okay? 3 reasons why why water is important to the world. Make sure that as you guys are doing your research that you're writing these down, maybe on a piece of paper so you don't forget them, and maybe write the title, or even if you have the page number, maybe do that as well. Okay, write them down as you go. Here is One Well page 16. I put it in the title. Choose what pages you want to read again and find 3 different facts to include in your poster. No, you don't have to read all of this. Choose 3 items you want to read, okay? And then read it and then find 3 of your facts. Okay, here is page 17, Here is page 20. Here is page 21. And then at the bottom here, I'm asking you, what is one fact you found? Make sure to also list the book title. So if you say, okay, on, oops, I got it. You can say on one wall, page 20, I found this, and then write whatever that fact you found. Remember that if you're pulling directly from the text, you have to use quotation marks. And then here I have you list the second fact. Please make sure you are listing the facts from the text, okay? You can use your knowledge, but do not make things up, please. And then here I have you list your third fact. And then here I say, now go to your poster and write these 3 facts down. Make sure you write the book title. And here I put examples of how your poster should be looking by now. Remember, we are still working on our draft, so you could do that in a notebook so far, okay? So your draft poster should be looking like this. You should have 3 places, 3 captions of how you use the water, and 3 facts. My facts are in blue. Okay, so I have my places drawn, my bathtub, my garden, my sink, and then I also have my sentence explaining this is my caption: to shower or bathe, I need water. I use water to help my garden grow. I use water to wash my hands. I have my captions with my pictures, and then I went ahead and added my 3 facts. So all water comes from one well, and then this I got from one well, page 4. Here I got other families don't have access to enough water to meet these basic needs. This is from one well, page 20. And then here I just wrote, because based on what I remembered, it said, in Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, they needed water to grow their crops. Okay. Your poster should start looking like this. If it's not, that means you need to catch up, okay? Here is another example of a draft poster. Okay. And then just remember, you also have to do EPIC today for 20 minutes. And that is all, you guys. If you have any questions about your poster or what you should be doing so far, please make sure you come for my office hours at 2. Also, don't forget our crew meeting today at 1. All right, you guys, bye. Have a good day.